Hey everyone, greetings to all from Almighty CS. Welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to use the document management module to store, share, organize and manage documents easily within your company. The document management app in Odoo helps you to go paperless. You can store files, scan documents. It's a smart way to centralize and organize company documents. To get started, go to the app module and install this app. Once installed, open the document app. Here you can see the folders are organized by department like finance, HR, etc. You can also switch between the Kanban view and list view. You can create new folders to better organize your documents. Just click on new, upload your file, which will automatically take by default the same name. Select the directory if created. If not, just create and edit the directory. Add the parent directory if you want to, like I will create sales, and select the department. Then here is the option of model name. Model means the type of record you are linking the document to, like sales team, employee or customer. Assign users to have access right. You can also attach some tags and then save and close it. You can also attach some tags here, then click on save manually. Now many times you need to send documents via mail in some specific use case. So here's also the option to send by mail on document. So now you can send documents by mail in single click. You can also revise this document in future by simply click on revise button here and then uploading the new file, and also here the revision number will change. Now when you would have multiple files, it might become difficult for you to find it. So you can search it and use filter also. Search on tag and description is also possible, like I will search here. In directory menu, you can set the directory and also the parent directory. In configuration, you would have the option to create a new tag. Here you can upload multiple files at a time in a directory. Same as other main Odoo applications, this document management system also contains related users. And go to the settings. Now here currently it is set as manager. Manager can create, write and delete all documents, directory and tag. If I choose user from here, user can add new documents and access directory and documents having access. So accordingly you can also specify the access rights to the user. We have also added support to set department on directory. So you can add department on directory and users of that department will have directly access to related directory and documents. So this is the whole flow of document management module. Hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching till the end.